Most developers are using C Sharp but not using modern C Sharp properly. C Sharp 14 with .NET 10 adds features that can literally cut your code by 20 to 30% while making it more readable and safer. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the most useful features with real examples and when you should actually use them in real projects. Let's go. By the end of this video, you'll know which new CSART 14 features matter, which ones are just nice to know, how to write cleaner models and APIs, and how .NET 10 improves performance for cloud apps. And I'll combine everything into one working example near the end, so stay with me. Feature 1, Pattern Matching Upgrade. Let's start with something you'll use immediately, pattern matching. Most developers still write long if conditions with casting and nested checks. Modern CSARC lets you match object properties directly inside the condition, which removes noise and improves clarity. Instead of checking type, then casting, then checking properties, you express the rule directly in one place. This is extremely useful in AP validation, filtering data, domain rules, DTO processing. Quick tip, if your if statement spans more than one line, modern pattern matching can probably simplify it. We'll use this again in the final combined demo. Are you already using property patterns in your code or still doing manual cast? Comment yes or no, I'm curious. Feature 2, Collection Expressions. This next feature is one of the most loved cleaner collection creation. Instead of repeating type names and constructors again and again, modern collection expressions make this shorter and consistent. This is especially useful in test data, seed data, demo setups, small data sets, configuration lists. Less typing, same meaning, cleaner code. And yes, it works across multiple collection types. And later I'll show how this combines beautifully with pattern matching. Keep watching. Feature 3, Primary Constructors. Now let's talk about something that removes a lot of class boilerplate primary constructors. Instead of writing fields and then assigning them inside constructors, you define parameters directly in the class declaration. This is perfect for DTOs, request models, response models, lightweight domain objects. Your classes become shorter and intention focused. If you build APIs, this is a must-use feature. If you like reducing boilerplate code, you're going to like the combined example coming up. It uses three of these features together. Feature 4, Params improvements. Small feature, but useful. Params handling is more flexible now. Methods that accept variable arguments can now work more naturally with modern collection syntax. Library authors and utility method writers will benefit the most here. It improves method usability and call site readability. Not flashy, but very practical. Feature 5, .NET 10 performance. Now let's talk runtime, not just syntax. .NET 10 brings performance improvements that matter in production. Faster startup, better JIT optimization, stronger ahead of time compilation, lower memory usage, better container efficiency if you run. Microservices, serverless functions, cloud APIs, containers. This directly affects cost and scalability. Performance is no longer just about code, it's about runtime evolution. Quick question, are you running your APIs in containers yet or still traditional hosting? Comment container or server. Adoption guidance. Should you adopt these features immediately? For new projects, yes. For existing projects, adopt gradually. Start with collection expressions. Use primary constructors for new models. Add pattern matching where logic is messy. No need to rewrite old code. Evolve forward. If you want, I can make a follow-up video with a full project built using all modern CSAP features step by step. If that would help you, like the video and subscribe. It tells me what to build next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next modern .NET deep dive.